Okay, let's just move on now to Karnataka. This is a troubled state for the BJP, terribly troubled state. If you think Maharashtra's got problems, look at what's happening here. Let's have a look at some of the findings of the All India poll. Well, Yediyurappa is a big headache for the BJP. 1 out of 3 BJP voters say Yediyurappa should break away and form a new party. These are BJP voters saying this. Of course, Congress voters are probably 100%. But anyway, what about a second headache they've got? This is the man that's creating them a headache, and nothing seems to work. 1 out of 2 BJP voters say Yediyurappa is being treated unfairly. So there's a lot of sympathy. That's 50% of them are saying, you know, this is wrong, what's happening to him. Corruption matters. The kind of damage that Yediyurappa could do, people feel, the BJP voter feels that if he leaves the BJP, 82% say he will damage the party terribly. If he leaves. Of course, so far, he's not leaving, he's hanging on. And remember, we did show this one figure earlier. Which party is more corrupt, we asked, the Congress or the BJP? And the answer was, according to the voters of Karnataka, BJP much more corrupt than the Congress, 58 to 42 in Karnataka. And that's not true in other states, and certainly not true all India. It's in fact 54 to 46. 54 to Congress, 46 to BJP, all India. But in Karnataka, corruption is a major issue. Let's have a look at the final forecast as a result of whatever is happening in Karnataka. 28 seats, BJP 19, Congress 6. This was happened in 2009. And the JDS 3. The forecast now in a midterm poll is down to 12. Congress 11 and Kumaraswamy up to 5. And
5?
Yeah. That BJP 12, Congress 11 and JDS. David Gowda and his son, isn't it? Both of them together.
That's the Vokalika vote shifting.
So BJP will get a bit of a setback. Corruption in the BJP. I think it's Dorab's term for this is the Congressification of the BJP.
No, these figures are certainly a matter of concern for us.
And the state
and the message
and the condition of the state.
Introspection and self-correction. Because
but what could you do?
BJP made a major inroads into the south by establishing a strong base, which even your own figures for 2014 show that we are quite strong. We'll be ahead of the Congress. That shows that the BJP at the grassroots, in terms of people's support, is still strong.
Okay.
We've had some problems, and we will introspect. We will take the right corrective.
Well, you have
decisions.
the Chief Minister right here, and you can ask him what he's going to do. Thank you very much, sir, for joining us. You've come at a very tough time. The Chief Minister's changing, the image of the party is terrible, there's infighting, and it's seen as much more corrupt than the Congress. What are you going to do to change this? Because your popularity of your party, the BJP, is sliding and slipping away.
And elections are in May, this year, coming up.
Elections coming up. What would you do, sir? How will you turn things around?
Yes.
So I was just wondering, things are sliding. What are you going to do to turn things around?
Actually, I take.
Sorry, go ahead.
I had taken over as a Chief Minister July 12. After July 12, last 1 month, we have given a good governance, and there is no problem in administration, and all the leaders we unitedly giving all the good administration, and even all the leaders, Mr. Yediyurappa, Mr. Anant Kumar, Mr. Ishwarappa, Mr. Sadananda Gowda,
Sir, but
all are unitedly we are doing the work, and last if we see the yes.
But is Mr. Yediyurappa, frankly, a bit of a headache for you?
No. If you see the activities of Mr. Yediyurappa ji, last 1 month after I became the Chief Minister, he is cooperating in all respect, and he is helping the administration. What he says in how to strengthen the party in the Karnataka. I think there is nothing negative things about Yediyurappa in respect of the party work is concerned, in respect of the administration of the government is concerned.
Right. Shekhar Gupta has a question for you, sir.
Mr. Shetar, you've been part of the government, you've been part of the ruling
Yes.
group in Karnataka for
Please.
through this term now. How worried are you about the fact that it's perhaps
Yes.
the only state in which your party has a higher score than Congress party on the corruption index? More people think that
Yes.
BJP is corrupt in Karnataka than the Congress. And why do you think has that happened? Do you deserve this reputation, or is it unfair?
That due to some due to some incidents, due to some events, that image has been developed. But looking into the last 4 years, our governors, looking into our programs in grassroots level, in particular rural areas, Bharatiya Janata Party is very much strong in Karnataka, and public support is in favor of the BJP. Up till now also, public are with us. And if you see the result of the council elections, graduates elections, teachers elections, who held last 3 months back, that out of 6 we got 5 seats. That shows that even educated people who are the teachers, they are with the BJP.
Sir, do
Right,
you,
sir. No,
Grassroots level
Shekhar, we
people,
just-
they are with the BJP.
sir, do you also
Against
share the
all the
view?
odds.
Sir, do you also share the view that your party has been unfair to Mr. Yediyurappa?
No. Yediyurappa is our tallest leader in Karnataka. He is a mass leader. And with his help, definitely we will strengthen the party, and he will be with the party, and nothing will happen
Right.
because he built the party. He is the one of the person who built the party. There will be no damage from Yediyurappa in respect of our party is concerned.
Right, sir. Thank you very much. I think it's very good of you and sporting of you to join us, just having been just over a month in power, taking over a troubled state and coming here to give your point of view. Thank you very, very much indeed. Thank you.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.